Hello Aquarius, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. Secret message from their end, from their side. So let's check out. Any secret message from your partner side. Eight of Pentacles, they are working hard right now. So they are really busy in their work. Next card we have Five of Wands and the Chariot card. This is related to their work area or maybe internal conflicts, or maybe they have some sort of arguments with you, but they are definitely indulged with some sort of arguments, fights, maybe with you, maybe their friends, maybe just internal mind conflicts that this person have about something, but they try to just put their time in doing all the work. So this person is like doing hard work in their life, workaholic. So this person is like working hard for the coins. Chariot card. So Chariot card is again like they just want to move forward no matter what, how much arguments there in their connection. They just continuously putting their efforts into their financial area. They are continuously putting effort and they are moving forward no matter how much conflicts they are going through. So this is like the secret message. Let me take. And their work is like giving them some sort of a burden. So let's see any other secret message from your partner side. Not taking that much cards. Okay, Queen of Swords. So this person clear about the things that what they want, what desire they have, and they know that what they want in their life. So this person is so much direct. This person is like having some sort of a clarity that they are gaining right now, that what they want to do, what they want to achieve. So this person just too much focus upon the things that they want currently in their lives. They are getting some sort of a clarity in their life. Any secret message from your partner side? And at the same time they are also providing their helping hands to their family members, to their friends, or maybe poor people. But this person doing some sort of a social work, maybe just at home. So this person is like helping others. One last card. Too many cards. Just one last card. Secret message. So this person is like patiently waiting for their trees to grow. So here you see we have a Seven of Pentacles, we have a Eight of Pentacles, we have a Six of Pentacles. So this person is like totally focused upon their financial area, about their stability. That is the main focus of this person. Their concentration is like totally about the money area, and they want to move forward in this. So they are basically helping others, patiently waiting for their trees to grow, and they are putting more and more effort and the hard work to gain the stability in their coins. So this is all going on into their head space. And bottom of the deck, this is like they are not able to provide you enough time. This is like running. Maybe you think that this person is like running from you, but actually their focus is like money area. So yes, this person is running, but they are too much indulged, like overindulge in their work area, right? So because of their this hard work, maybe they have to say something, lie about something in your connection, right? So that's why this is happen, because their total focus is like on money, no third party situation, right? So let me take any advice from the angels for your connection. So first we have Storm Warning. This card is popping out very highly, but maybe there is a chances of some sort of a storm in your connection. So you have to be aware about the conflicts and the argument and this lying behavior of your person. So you just have to be like whatever the conversation you have to postpone that conversation, because that may lead to disagreements, and that may be the reason of fights, right? So let me take one more advice card. Okay, what we have, third chakra, Archangel Kaniel. Third chakra is again related to money. So this person is highly focused on their money area. That's why they do tell you some sort of a lies, or postponing your meetings or whatever. This person may not give you enough time because of that. So let's see any message that they want to tell you. Desire, I can still taste you. So this person have a strong desire for you. Insecurity, would you say yes? So maybe this person feel insecure because they don't have enough financial gains, financial security. That's why this person feel insecure. So that's why they are working hard. So let's see one last message. Okay, what we have, balance and imbalance. I need to express myself. This person don't know how to express. So there is a like a balance and imbalance state of their mood swings. Their mood is like swing. Their mood swings, sorry. So they change their mood is like changing. So one last advice card for my beautiful viewers. Just one card. I can release ancient pain simply by feeling it. If you want to release some sort of a pain, so simple method is to feel it, right? In this way you release your pain. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.